We are aboard our Pacific Craft 625. We are going to explain how this boat works. First of all, we have to make sure that the proximity key is nearby. Then the red cordon. The main overboard is in the position, and the engine is down with the trim up and down. We can see is down. To start, we must make sure that the clutch is in neutral. In the middle, you can see here. Because if it's forward or reverse, we cannot start, always in neutral. And we first push the power button. And we wait for a few seconds. And then we can start with the button, start. Once we start, if we want to sail, always very slowly. Forward or reverse. Very smoothly, always in neutral, slowly. If we want to make sure that this is neutral, we can see here and neutral. A reverse or F forward. Always in neutral to start and stop. To stop the engine, we have to push stop button. And then if we are going to stop for a while, we have to switch off the power of all the cockpit like this. The GPS. We have to follow the GPS, like our eyes, very strictly. To zoom in or out, we have to use the plus and minus button. We have the red areas, never go inside a red area like this. Always keep outside from these areas, and also, outside of the red lines, never cross our red lines. Because if you cross a red line, or go inside a red area, we have to remove the deposit. It's very important to keep out. The most dangerous place in the West Coast, in San Antonio area, is the Calicanta Passage. We have to go to the other side, always between the two big islands, Isla de Conejera and Isla del Bosque. Always between the big two islands. Never go through the small passage next to Calicanta. Even if you see boats crossing, don't follow them. As you can see, there is a red line. So never cross the red line. Always go here and cross next to the green line. Also, we have the boundaries of the limits here. This is East Vedra limit. This is the limit of the south area. And in the north, we can see the north boundary. Portonats is the other limit here. When you want to come back to the boat, to our position, just push stop button. To anchor is very important that we always check that the bottom of the sea is sand. White color, never black color. Never rocks, never plants. Because they are protected. Always in sand. 4, 5, 6 meters more or less. To anchor, we have to open here. First of all, remove the safety rope like this. And in the cockpit, we have the up and down button. Always is better that someone is here in the front to check that the bottom is sand. And to check that the anchor is okay. When we want to continue, just up with the anchor, and then for sail, always put the safety rope.